This one's called Kiss Goodnight. Darling, do you remember the day we met? We were just kids in school, learning how to make it through. Everything under the sun was a brand new opportunity put together for you and me. I played my guitar, you gave me your heart. I sang all those songs while you sang along all summer long. All summer long. But the moment that I looked into your eyes, I said, darling, you drive me crazy, but lately I've been feeling like a fool. Stormy days, your sunshine, I wanna make them all mine. I leave this world behind just for a kiss goodnight. Just for a kiss goodnight. Darling, look at us now, so bulletproof. I've loved you through and through, but now out of the blue, something seems to be on your mind. Your heart is beating fast, and I can see the signs. So darling, are you listening? Can we figure this out? Not just walk out, no, no. So darling, are you listening? Can we figure this out? Not just walk out, no, no. It's the moment that I looked into your eyes. Yeah, the moment I looked into your eyes, I said, darling, you drive me crazy. Lately I've been feeling like a fool. Stormy days, your sunshine, I wanna make them all mine. I leave this world behind. Just for a kiss goodnight. Just for a kiss goodnight. Darling, I remember the day we met. The photographs on my wall never let me forget. But our story ended many years ago. I remember that song that I wrote, the moment that I looked into your eyes. Yeah. Thank you.